talk about politics now. What's happening down south in the state of Karnataka, where Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, who held a crucial meeting in Delhi with the party high command. Now, according to sources, what we are learning, with the Bihar Assembly elections around the corner, the central leadership has rather advised and instructed the Karnataka Congress leadership to maintain status quo and to set aside internal differences until the high-stakes polls are over. Now, this message directly has come in from the High Command, is to bury the hatchet, work together, project unity, especially in the wake of national political challenges as well. So set aside your differences and put out a united front. Now, what is being said as far as these meetings are concerned, because they have been in the national capital for the last few days. However, did they manage to meet the party leadership, and what is that was instructed and advised to them? Because what is being said that both Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar had sought time to meet Rahul Gandhi, but according to sources, we are learning that apparently that meeting did not happen. But now what is being said, to quell the differences, the leaders have now been advised to put aside their differences and to maintain status quo and to put up and project a united front. Now, there has been several incidents in the past as well where the state high command had to come in between. Imran, when it comes to putting aside the differences or resolving the issues. Now, is it once again seems to be another attempt by the party high command, what is now being said, that Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar should be shown together in a united front?
Well, absolutely. In fact, 3 days, both the CM and Deputy CM were in Delhi, and they met several leaders, in fact, with K. Surjewala and also K.C. Venugopal, and also AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge. However, there seems to be that the High Command has asked them to put aside their differences and give a united face, so that they can have elections are there coming in Bihar, likely to be in November, and the party cannot have a dissidence within the state, one of the strongest states they have, and they have asked them to put together. But Rahul Gandhi, despite the both CM and Deputy CM being in Delhi for 3 days, didn't meet any of them. That seems to be that he is a little upset with the leadership here over this the infighting which is happening, and they're not able to resolve the differences between themselves.
All right, but as far as the meeting concerned with Rahul Gandhi, through sources we are learning that did not happen. So where is the High Command order, Imran, coming from?
Well, the order has been conveyed to both K.C. Venugopal and Surjewala, and in fact, what we get to know, even the AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge met Siddaramaiah over this issue, but that is what they feel that Rahul Gandhi's message has been conveyed to them. And Rahul Gandhi, despite them both being in Delhi for 3 days, they didn't even meet anyone, either of the leader. That shows that High Command is somewhere upset over the issues which have happened in Karnataka, especially the leadership tussle and the constant statements from supporters of both Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar over this issue. We have to wait and see whether any further meeting happens on this case. But both the leaders are now en route to Karnataka over this issue. And in fact, Surjewala again coming on 16th of this month, but CM says that there's it for the appointment of boards and corporations by appointment of boards and corporations, nothing to do with leadership tussle. In fact, again he reiterated in Delhi
put out exactly what Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister, has to say, because he's been dismissing all of the questions with regards to his leadership, with regards to his post. As the Chief Minister says that he will continue for the remainder of the term, and there has been no question or no discussion that has taken place on the leadership issue yet.
How many times it was not discussed at all. Leadership issue was not discussed at all.
No, sir, for Dharamsthala.
How many times it was not discussed at all. Leadership issue was not discussed at all.
No, sir, for Dharamsthala.
Well, Nyamika is connected with us, so if no leadership issue was discussed at all, as the Chief Minister has been saying, that what made both of the leaders actually come down to Delhi and meet the party high command?
Well, both Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar had sought appointment from Rahul Gandhi, but the manner in which there is no such meeting which has taken place in the national capital, that is basically a messaging which the Congress High Command is also trying to give to both of these leaders, that there is not going to be any kind of discussion regarding that, because we have seen in the past as well that how there were several statements which were being given by both of these leaders. However, now it is being clarified on the part of Siddaramaiah that there is no change change. There is not going to be any kind of change on the CM post, and he is going to continue for the entire 5 years as the Chief Minister of Karnataka. And as far as his meeting is concerned with the General Secretary Randeep Singh Surjewala and the Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, he has stated in the recent media bite that there was a discussion which has taken place regarding the appointments in the boards and the corporations, and for the finalization of the names, Randeep Singh Surjewala is going to meet the top leadership of Karnataka Congress on 16th evening, and after that only the names are going to be finalized. But there was no such discussion which has taken place regarding the leadership change in the state of Karnataka. So that is basically what we are getting from our sources as well, that there is clear instruction which has been given on the part of the Congress High Command that they should stop making any kind of statements regarding this entire issue, regarding the row which is going on, the power tussle which is going on, because it is also impacting the image of Karnataka government as well.
All right. So not wanting anything to impact negatively on the image of Karnataka on the Congress party, because as it is being believed that they want to prepare and go full head on as far as upcoming Bihar Assembly elections are concerned, and they don't want any issues of differences between their own leadership to come up and become a part of the focus there. Let's listen in once again to what the Chief Minister says, that Siddaramaiah, being in the national capital, says that the leadership issue was not discussed.
How many times I will tell you, it was not discussed at all. Leadership issue was not discussed at all.
No, sir, for Dharamstala.
How many times I will tell you, it was not discussed at all. Leadership issue was not discussed at all.
No, sir, for Dharamstala.
In the